everyone. So today's video is all about a new cue card topic of 2022 speaking list. So are you ready to know? The cue card topic is talk about a hotel you visited, and the bullet points are which hotel, when did you visit, with whom did you visit, and how was your experience. So in this video I'm going to give you an explanation of this topic. Please listen carefully and watch the video till end. I would like to start by saying that there are many hotels where I have visited and stayed, but if I talk about one of them, that is the Hotel Mahal. I went there a couple of months ago in my summer vacation with my family who is close to my heart. Moreover, I stayed there for 3 nights and 4 days and my experience was memorable. I would like to share such experiences with you, like few memories of that hotel. First of all, when I entered in the hotel, I saw the huge area. The exterior of the hotel was so eye-catching. When I entered inside, so I saw the chandelier, it was shining like a pearl. Apart from that, the hotel was spick and span as the dustbins were provided at every nook and corner. One more thing I would like to add here is that the food quality of that hotel was super amazing. I had never ever tasted such kind of delicious food that I tried in that hotel. One more thing is that when I entered in my room, so I saw room was very huge, very big. There were 7 mirrors. Like I have never ever seen 7 mirrors in any of the rooms of any hotel, but this hotel provided me that. That room was so amazing. Room was with white paint, the bedsheet was white, the cushions were white, everything was looking so royal. Apart from this, the hotel manager was so kind. Not even manager, but I would say that the whole staff was so amazing, right? So I would say that this hotel experience was really nice. If you get a chance, you can also visit this hotel. Even if I talk about the prices, so prices were not that much high. We booked our room in 5,000 per night and they gave us a concession at the end that was of 2,000. So that was actually a great deal, I would say. So all in all, this was the hotel which I visited and stayed for 3 nights and 4 days. सो गाइस, ये टॉपिक था, ठीक है. आप इस टॉपिक को इस तरह से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि क्यू का टॉपिक ना, देखो गाइस 72 टॉपिक्स हैं जो कि नए आए हैं 2022 की लिस्ट में. अगर आप चाहते हो ना अकेले अकेले टॉपिक के ऊपर इस तरह से बढ़िया वाली एक्सप्लेनेशन मिले, देन डू लेट अस नो, विल बी देयर फॉर यू. बट अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं थोड़े बहुत टॉपिक्स मुझे आते हैं, बट थोड़े बहुत टॉपिक्स में मुझे चैलेंज है, तो भी हमें बताओ कमेंट में कि कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स में चैलेंज है. टॉपिक का टाइटल लिख के बताओ और हम एक स्पेसिफिक वीडियो आपके लिए लेके आएंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बट अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, वेरी बैड, डू इट. ओके, थैंक यू.